Alright, check these out. These are my new speakers. They were like 18 bucks on Amazon for the 91 Toyota Previa. And they're just some cheap speakers, but I retrofitted them with the original equipment from the completely blown stock speakers. So we soldered, try to get a good shot, we soldered the original clips to the positive and the negative on the new clips of the speakers, and then busted out the hot glue gun, the solder iron, whatever. We busted out the hot glue gun and we glued these original, I don't know if it's a baffle or what to call it, but we soldered these, or sorry, we glued these to their new speakers too, so that they'll still mate up nicely and not have any weird vibration. But yeah, super stoked about how they came out. Perfectly. And the solders were super easy to do. They don't look the best on the camera, but they're pretty good. So yeah, that'll clip right in now to the original rear speakers. And this is what size they are, in case you're wondering.